Renewable energy, a sustainable solution. Renewable energy is derived from natural resources and is environmentally sustainable. It is gaining attention worldwide due to its potential to reduce greenhouse gas emission and provide reliable energy. Here are some key points. Solar, wind, hydropower, geothermal and biomass energy are the main types of renewable energy. Obtained from sunlight, it can be harnessed using photovoltaic cells or concentrated solar power. Obtained from the movement of air, it can be harnessed using wind turbines. Obtained from the kinetic energy of flowing water, it can be harnessed using hydroelectric or tidal power plant. Obtained from the Earth's core heat, it can be harnessed using geothermal power plants. Obtained from organic material, it can be converted into biofuels or used directly. Renewable energy is environmentally friendly, producing no harmful emission or toxic waste. Renewable energy can create jobs, stimulate local economies, and reduce energy costs. Renewable energy technologies are becoming more efficient, cost-effective, and accessible. Governments worldwide are implementing policies and regulations to promote renewable energy. Renewable energy faces challenges such as intermittency and opposition to infrastructure installation. Renewable energy is a promising solution for addressing climate change and ensuring a sustainable energy future.